Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop steam ovens that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Panasonic HomeChef 7-in-1 Compact Oven. This is a versatile appliance that combines convection baking, air frying, steaming, slow cooking, fermenting, and even sanitizing into one compact package. With its 7 cooking functions, it promises to help you prepare a wide variety of dishes, from crispy air-fried snacks to tender steamed meals. The 0.7 cubic foot interior is spacious enough to fit a 10-inch pizza or a whole chicken, making it a good option for small families or individuals. In terms of design, the Panasonic HomeChef features a sleek black finish and a durable build. The large LED display and knob controls make it user-friendly. However, its relatively lower wattage, 1200 watts, means it may take slightly longer to heat up compared to more powerful models. The Smart Steam feature allows for even cooking with nutrients locked in. And the 2-level rack system is a nice touch for multitasking. Cleaning is also a breeze, thanks to the high-temperature steam sanitization mode. While this unit offers a lot of features, it does have its drawbacks. The lower customer rating of 3.3 stars indicates some concerns about performance consistency, and its compact size may be limiting for larger households. However, if you're looking for an affordable, multifunctional steam oven for occasional use in smaller kitchens, the Panasonic HomeChef is a decent option to consider. At number 3, we have the Cucina 7-in-1 Steam Convection Oven. This all-in-one appliance offers steaming, air frying, baking, sous vide, fermentation, and more, all in a sleek and modern package. The standout feature is its steam torrent technology, which ensures efficient and healthy cooking by preserving nutrients and enhancing flavors. With 29 built-in auto menus, it's perfect for those who want convenience and variety in their daily cooking. Design-wise, the Cucina oven shines with its almond yellow finish and user-friendly controls. The tilted Easy On-Eye display and single-knob Easy Navi system make it intuitive to operate. Safety is also a priority here, with a triple-layer insulated glass door and a child lock feature. The self-cleaning function handles deodorization and descaling, while the food-grade stainless steel cavity ensures durability and hygiene. However, this oven is on the heavier side, at 35 pounds, and its higher price point may put it out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. It also has a slightly smaller capacity compared to other models on this list. With a customer rating of 4.3 stars, it strikes a good balance between performance and ease of use. If safety, smart features, and premium construction are your priorities, the Cucina is a fantastic option. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Nuwave PFAS-free steam oven and air fryer. This budget-friendly model offers a wealth of features, including air frying, steaming, sous vide, toasting, and more. Its smart steam infusion technology ensures perfectly cooked meals with tender interiors and crispy exteriors. The adjustable moisture control, from 10% to 90%, allows you to tailor the humidity to each dish, making it perfect for everything from baking to roasting. This oven has a 16-quart capacity, which is ideal for families. Its stainless steel build feels durable, and the LED touch controls are easy to navigate. With 121 touch presets, this model takes the guesswork out of cooking, making it an excellent choice for beginners and pros alike. Cleanup is also a breeze, thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts and quick preheat function. On the downside, it lacks some of the advanced features of its premium counterpart, such as the sous vide precision control without bags. Still, at $373.99, it offers incredible value for money. If you're looking for an affordable, versatile steam oven for everyday use, this Nuwave model is hard to beat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven. This premium model is the ultimate all-in-one countertop appliance, featuring air frying, steaming, sous vide, toasting, and more. What sets this oven apart is its innovative combo mode, which simultaneously steams and air fries to deliver restaurant-quality results. The advanced steam technology allows you to adjust both temperature and moisture levels with precision, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The design is top-notch, with a sleek stainless steel finish and a large 16-quart capacity. The 120 presets and programmable options make it incredibly versatile, while the intuitive LED controls and quick heat-up feature ensure ease of use. The family-sized capacity can handle everything from a 5-pound chicken to 3 pounds of fries, making it ideal for meal prepping or entertaining. Plus, the included accessories and recipe book add even more value. While it's the most expensive model on this list at $395.99, its performance justifies the price. The Nuwave Combi Steam Oven is perfect for those who want the best of the best in terms of versatility, performance, and build quality. If you're serious about elevating your cooking game, this is the steam oven for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.